Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, Deputy President Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, Madam Dorcas, wenzangu wa serikali, waumini wote, the clergy, ndugu na dada Muriega, habari yenu, muko salama? Asante sana. Your Excellency, there's a saying that you do not judge a book by its cover. There's another one that says, do not judge somebody by his appearance. I must acknowledge when Bishop William came to stand here, he could barely tower above the podium. And for a moment I wondered, what is going to come out of Bishop William? But by the time he was halfway, I was no longer seeing the podium. I was seeing the bishop, and he was standing very tall. That sermon was good, very powerful. Asante sana. Your Excellency, a few points that I will raise very quickly. First is to congratulate the people of Mount Kenya, the entire region. These people have amazed us. They have amazed Kenyans. They are a very strong pillar in your government. These people broke the myth that Mount Kenya can never vote for anybody else. They proved everybody wrong. We can only say hats off to you. Your Excellency, these people are ferociously independent. Kama wamekubali, wamekubali. Na kama wamekataa, wamekataa. Na hawafichi. Na Gachagua hajui kuficha. Anakuambia vile ilivyo. Madam Dorcas, keep praying for him so that he can tell us the truth at all times. Asante sana. Kenya's institutions are firm. Kenya is not a failed state. We have a president, a government, duly elected, in broad daylight. And where there was doubt, they were tested. Not once, but severally. And they have made their decision that Kenya stands tall and we are not a failed state. Let that message ring loud and clear. Your Excellency, the opposition are using simple tactics, maandamano, rushing to court with petitions, trying to externalize their losses at every corner. But we are very clear that the government of William Ruto, with him at the helm, is firmly in control, and the challenges we are facing shall soon be behind us. What is left really is people refusing to acknowledge the reality. I was asking Ndini Nyoro what is jealousy? What is the word for jealousy in Kikuyu? Oiru. Oiru. So I put two and two together. He comes from Kiandutu. And I said, bishops, we should pray ama tuambie ya watu aterere enywe. Tambore kyoko guru, turute ndutu ya orio. Nego kanatigo. Because what we need to do is just to help these people to come to terms that William Samoei Ruto, Rigathi, our leaders, and they must now get rid of this jigger of jealousy so that we can move forward. And I'm sure Kenya will reach very strong heights. The president has made tremendous steps. His diplomatic scorecard within the few months that he has been at the helm is extraordinary. How many heads of state have come here in these last few months? If you go back into history and you ask yourself, have you ever seen that array of heads of state and government coming into Kenya the way they have come within such a short time? The recognition he's receiving internationally, the resources he's able to garner for us, the financial engineering that he's advocating and supporting for Kenyan people. You people, let us remove ile ndutu. Ya nini? Ya wivu. That word that I said. Oiru. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you for Gachagua, a good man, truthful man. And on that note, may I invite Honorable Gachagua, the Deputy President, to come forward and make his remarks. Asanteni sana.